Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Gaoy Polygel nail kit with UV light starter kit. If you're someone who loves doing nails at home or just starting your nail art journey, this kit promises everything you need to create salon-quality nail extensions easily and effectively. The Gaoy Polygel nail kit comes with 6 essential polygel colors, including nude, pink, and black shades. These colors provide a great base for all kinds of gel polish, making it versatile for many nail styles. Each tube is clearly labeled, which helps you keep your colors organized and makes the application process smoother. Inside the package, you'll find 6 polygel colors, each weighing 0.53 ounces or 15 grams, a nail lamp for curing the gel, a top coat, a base coat, and a complete manicure set with all the tools necessary to get started right away. This all-in-one design is perfect for beginners who want to enjoy nail art from the comfort of their home without needing to buy additional products. One of the great features of this polygel kit is that it has a lower odor compared to traditional nail polishes, which makes the experience more pleasant. The ingredients meet strict compliance standards under the FD&C Act and come with SGS certification, which adds a layer of confidence in the safety and quality of the product. Durability is another highlight. When you prepare your nail bed properly and apply the base coat before the polygel, your nails can last around 4 weeks. The nail lamp included uses UV light to cure the gel, which takes about 60 to 120 seconds depending on the thickness of your application. So, you can have strong, glossy nails without spending hours. Using this kit is straightforward. You apply the polygel in thin layers and cure each layer with the UV light. There's also a slip solution included to help spread the gel smoothly on your nails, which makes shaping and designing easier, especially for beginners. After curing, you can file and shape your nails to your desired look, giving you full control over the final style. The package dimensions are compact enough to fit neatly in your beauty space, measuring just over 12 inches long and weighing about 1.14 pounds. The brand behind this kit is Gaoy Cosmetics Inc., a name known for creating quality beauty products. This kit ranks highly in nail studio sets and hand, foot, and nail tools categories, reflecting its popularity and reliability. It is ideal for anyone looking to save money on salon visits while still achieving professional-looking nail extensions. Keep in mind, as with any nail enhancement product, it's important to follow the directions carefully to avoid skin contact, and this product is intended for professional use or those familiar with nail art techniques. So if you want to try a polygel nail kit that's beginner-friendly, comes with everything you need, and offers a long-lasting, low-odor formula, the Gaoy Polygel nail kit with UV light starter kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.